Good morning, world. Good gluten-free toast with Marmite. And a cup of tea to start my day. I'd first of all like to complain. This is a formal complaint to Totally Cathy at Totally Cathy. Due to the conversation about turtles and tortoises last night, I had a horrible dream that I was keeping my tortoise in a fish tank and it changed shape and its head eroded and it was not very healthy when it came out. And I'd like to completely blame you because you had the whole turtle tortoise conversation with me last night. So yes, totally your fault. Totally Cathy's totally Cathy's fault. Anyway, back to breakfast. Hello.
I'm staying up late tonight.
What are you doing tonight? What's happening at school today? Are you got to do maths and English and
No.
PE?
Skipping all that.
You're skipping all of that today. Why are you skipping all of that today?
I'm going to the O2 to perform.
Ooh, going to perform at the big O2 where all the stars go. Do I want proof? Go on then. Show us your top. Do you know the words to all your songs?
Some of them. There.
Young Voices 2019.
Exactly.
Awesome. How many thousands of people are going to be there?
Audience or children?
I don't know, both. Do you know the numbers?
I think it's about 10,000 or
Wow.
20,000. Don't know.
So you get to perform up on stage.
It's not on stage.
Is it not? Are you in the
it's
audience
like,
as well?
So, do you have an example? Yes.
Oh no, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
There's
so there's like a
seats
big dome.
here. Yeah.
So these seats, the children sit in, and all of those,
Yeah.
the parents sit.
That's it. That's very good. So you get to perform in the same place as, you know, Ollie Murs and whoever else is popular right now.
Basically.
Awesome.
Oh, I'm seeing
High five.
Childminders there.
And you're singing Shawn Mendes. Yes, I heard it was your Christmas present, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So you get to play there before him, right? Must mean you're better at singing than him.
No, not necessarily. He's on a world tour right now.
Oh, all right then. Today's jobs. Cleaning the disgusting bird feeder. Gonna have to pour some boiling water into that, I think. So I need to fill that. I also need to wash all the mud off my very muddy boots from yesterday's walk and respray them with some waterproof spray. And here are my disgusting floors that have got crumbs and muck on them because I went out for a walk yesterday instead of doing housework. Oh, right. Let's start with the bird feeder. I think the only solution for the boots is putting them in the bathtub. I think in a little bit of water. It's potentially going to block up my bath, my plug hole, my drain, you know what I mean. Oh, door. Right. Hope I don't melt the bird feeder. Ew. Guess we'll just leave it to soak. Whoa. Ew. Maybe we should refill this. Turn it into a cup of tea. Okay, what's next on my list of things to do today? Hoovering. Right. Now, oh dear, this seems to have soaked up some water in there. I'm going to find another pair of shoes for today, aren't I? Okay, so I've scrubbed the bird feeder. That is now drying before I refill it. Now I've got to scrub the boots and put them on the radiator. Crack on then, Pip. An old toothbrush might do the trick. Scrub it up, dub. Clean boots. Yay! Filthy bathtub. Oh, yay. Okay. Got to clean that now. Cause and effect, I guess. Boots. Scrubbed. Bath. Scrubbed. Downstairs hoovered. Bird feeder. Scrubbed. Seems to be a pattern, isn't there? Scrubbing. Today is the day of scrubbing. I now decree that Monday is official scrub day. If you have something to scrub, best go scrub it. What else can I do? Blue sky out there. Blue sky. I'd like to go for a walk, but I need to find a new pair of boots to wear because they're wet. I do need to go and pick Brendan up just before the school run. I'm going to have a very quiet day today. I'm going to pick up 2 kids from school. I do have one of them till 6 o'clock, which is a bit later than normal. And he's not a child that I normally have, so you probably won't get any video footage or very much footage later on. I've not actually asked his mum if he can be on the video, so you probably won't actually see his face. But yeah, we'll probably just play some games or something. I might get the Lego out for them. We'll see. Luckily, it's 2 boys about the same age, so that makes life a bit easier. Very quiet house this afternoon. Yeah. So I don't know, really. I'm not sure what to do. What do you think, people? I want to go for a walk. Where shall I go? Big walk or little walk? I need to find some shoes to wear, otherwise I won't be walking anywhere. My other one's now on the radiator. And I ought to hoover up here as well, because it's grubby. Then maybe walk. Definitely walk. Definitely walk. Maybe the woods? We'll see. I'll make a decision. I'll stop waffling to you and I'll just make a decision myself and I'll just take you along. Because you can't actually contribute, can you? You can't actually tell me. Although you could in the comments, you could say to me, Pip, I'd really like to see a walk of Oxford City Centre. I would really like to see a walk of a river. I would really like to see a walk of a hillside. So you can give me an idea. Woodland, fields, old churches. You tell me and I'll see if I can find something that fits it. Cool. Right. Back onto the hoovering. Just filled up the clean bird feeder with some of this. It was quite good actually. Bought it off of from Amazon. I can't actually remember how much it cost. I think I want to say about £10. But that's quite a big batch. It's got mealworms and everything in it. And I've had to reheat the last bit of my tea, which is now scalding hot, so I have to wait for it to cool down a little bit. Just can't get it right, can I? The sun is shining. The sky is blue. I've got my fan blowing on my window to try and defrost a little bit of ice that's on my window, because I broke my scraper with the big ice the other day. I decided to take you up a hill today. I thought, where can I go that's a bit different? So we're going to go up a hill, very big hill. I've bought my hat and gloves and I'm hoping it's not going to be too blowy up there. And I am going to take you to see a windmill. So I'm hoping you'll enjoy that. I do need to get some fuel. Oh, do you know what? I might get away with it. That gauge doesn't seem to have moved since I said I needed fuel the other day. We'll see what it's like on the way back. Anyway, let's go head up a hill to see a windmill. a very slippy, muddy track today. Still patches of ice. Not sure which is the best way to go. This is Hartwell's barn. A potted history of Brill Common. The hilltop has been a continual use from prehistoric times. Its springs of fresh water, fertile soil and the underlying clay made it attractive to many settlers, including Iron Age people, Romans, Celts and Saxons. In the Middle Ages, the area around you would have been more heavily wooded, part of Burnwood Forest, owned and hunted by the kings of England. In the 11th century, Edward the Confessor would have ridden nearby here on his way to the Royal Hunting Lodge in Brill, which is next to the church. Domesday Book recorded that there was enough woodland in Brill to fatten 200 swine. Clay beneath the hill gave rise to a thriving pottery industry. 8 kilns were operating in the mid-13th century, when up to 250,000 pots were made. Brill jugs were sold as far as 50 miles away. Bricks and tiles were also made from the clay. Gave the common its present day humps and hollows. Most of the older cottages in the village were made from bricks made in Brill. The windmill was built in the late 1680s. It is one of the 6 oldest post mills in Britain, still grinding barley for cattle feed in the 1920s. Brill villagers are very proud of their common, which is a focus for village events and is a much visited local amenity. Yeah, I've been to their bonfire nights here. They have a huge bonfire. Volunteers from the village, under the guidance of the common management team, try to do the sheep's work. Generous grant by DEFRA in 2005 enabled the purchase of much needed equipment: cutter, baler, hay raker and hand tools. The windy top was so suited to milling that between 1800 and 1830 there were 4 windmills within sight of each other on the common. There you go. A little bit of history about this area. Let's have a look around here. Environmental Education Centre. Rescued from ruin, the Hartwell Barns and Saunders Field. So this is an 1850s shelter for cows and sheep. And that's what it was like. Thanks to the hard work and imagination and generosity of the present owners and many people in Brill, and with financial support from DEFRA and a trust fund, the barn has been restored. I think that might be a hare sat over there. Yes, it is. 2 hares? I can't really see them, but that blob there, till it runs. This is the barn all restored. tree reminds me of a whomping willow from Harry Potter. With all its branches up in the air. Shadow. Lovely old buildings. Imagine waking up to that view every day. Be amazing, wouldn't it? Imagine these all being dug out to get all the clay and having them all turned into bricks. Oh, there's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. Where have you gone? He's hiding. There he is. There he is. Hello, bunny. Boop, boop, boop. Where's he gone? Oh, I've lost it. Oh, totally lost it. Down there somewhere. Cute little bunny. There's a wood pile. I bet that's awesome for snakes and newts and other cool things. My cup of tea. Oh, there goes Rabbit. He's still out there. He was just hiding from me. Silly bunny. Oh, there's a bunny hole. Or a bunny hole. Oh, can't get through here. Lots of birds. It's a bit overgrown. Can I get through? This trail that I blaze. Ouch. I've never exactly been a trailblazer, have I? Let's see. See, me. This is me through and through. Never stick to the path. Never. Why? Oh, there we go. Let's readjust. What's down there? Rabbit. Is that a rabbit? I think it might have been a rabbit. Oh yes, rabbit holes. Just bouncing around in there. Anyone home? What about down that one? No thanks, Pip, you're scaring us all off. Hope you like my walks. They do seem to be enjoyed. That blue sky, so lovely today. Whoa, wobbly wobbly. Yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying these walks. It's something I enjoy doing. And the channel's kind of progressed more from just being childcare to being more family vlog as well. Unfortunately, my family don't seem to enjoy my walks. I tried so hard to get my boys into them. I can hear a plane. But despite all my hard work at getting them outdoors and enjoying the outdoors, computers do sort of win a bit. Oh well. Brendan still enjoys the outdoors quite a lot. Kenzie not so much. Brendan will enjoy walks with me. Just not as much as I wish. But I'm getting used to these walks on my own now. I always felt like I couldn't do it on my own. Don't know why. Very spiky hawthorns. They're vicious little trees, they are. You wouldn't catch me hugging a hawthorn, that's for sure. I've got to get back through the gate without electrocuting myself. It's a bit like one of those buzz games, except you really hurt yourself if you knock the wrong bit. No crazy hat here. Got away with it, I think. So, that's just another little part of my world I wanted to share with you guys. Nice way to clear your head, blow out the cobwebs, and enjoy a bit of the world you're in. Pick the kids up. Two kids, one's going home at 4:30, one's going home at 6. Nice cup of tea. Warm me up. It's flipping freezing. Just check the weather report. Snow during the morning, snow during the evening. So potentially tomorrow will be a snow day. I'm having a lazy food prep tonight. I'm not feeding these guys, they're just having snacks. Fajita mix. Never tried this before because we always make fajitas from fresh. But thought I'll give that to my boys tonight with some wraps. Sadly we don't have any condiments. They quite like a bit of creme fraiche and guacamole. But we do have coleslaw, and we do have mayonnaise, and we do have cheese. So it's not entirely disastrous. And then tomorrow they can have some pork loin steaks and some veg and rice. So that's defrosting. I've got the rest of my soup to finish that I had at lunchtime. It needs eating, so I had half now and I've got half for tonight. Not sure what Lee will have. He usually comes in and sorts himself out beans and rice or something like that. Yeah, feels really odd. So chilled today. So relaxed. The kids are in there watching a bit of TV and playing Batman with Batman toys. It's so calm, it's so peaceful. If only I could get paid what I earn, 2 kids, that'd be good. Have the earnings for 9 children, but only have 2 children. Easy days. I'm not sure anyone would pay me that much money. No, I don't think that's going to happen. Right. Finish editing this, I think, because I think there's going to be an awful lot more to add to it. I'll wait till Kenzie gets home. We'll film a little bit to see how his day's been, and then I'll probably get this up early. Tell us about your day.
In agony.
Why are you in agony?
Because we're playing cops and robbers and in PE. And instead of like tapping a person, they rugby tackled me on concrete.
They rugby tackled your concrete?
Yeah, and I landed on my leg.
Ouch. Did you go and get ice on it?
No, because it was at the end of the lesson.
Oh. Do you not go and ice your legs anymore after PE?
Not really. No.
That's alright then, you're doing okay, are you? It's not bothering you?
Yeah, I think it's gone.
Good.
I
think the osteo helped, didn't it?
What osteo?
Oh, we did the osteo, didn't we? And she stretched your legs out and massaged you. Oh. Apart from that, how was your day?
Good.
Are you hoping we have a snow day tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, it's supposed to be double snow tomorrow.
Yeah, snow in the morning and snow in the afternoon, but I don't think it starts till 9 o'clock. So you might get sent home from school if it starts to settle. Because if you've got school buses, they always send you home, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to book haircuts, actually. I'm just looking at how fluffy your hair is. I don't think I've booked haircuts in.
Oh, Matt Smith is joining Marvel Studios.
Is he?
Yeah.
What's he going to do?
Oh, don't know.
Hot news. Right. Is that all you have to share with the YouTube world?
Yeah.
Okay. Kenzie,
Yeah.
I love you. You want to go and have a bath?
In a minute.
Okay.
I want to hug her.
Okay. I never say no to a hug.
I've already